It's an age-old practice along Ghana's coasts. Man's devastating war against nature. Who wins?
The same way they it be our food. It be Accra people them our food. Ghana people it be our food. If you go away we don't get nothing, they can't take the sand, go sell some.
Take the sand, mold the block there. So if they are taking blocks away, it is not sand they are taking away, but blocks. But in any case, once you pick the sand, you are mining sand.
The very people who are doing this are the first casualties when any disaster occurs.
How the people they chop the sand government with the beg leave us for us.
It's a crime, it's criminal. EPA will not permit and has not permitted any sand winning activity along the coastal line.
Spotlight on sand mining on Accra's beaches. Joy Prime's latest documentary, airing Thursday, April 13, 2023 at 5 p.m. Accra Galamsey.